Hi, in this video, I'll be doing a feature demonstration on Dynamic Attribute Provider, also known as DAP Plugin. In this video, I'll be showing you how to pull attributes from different data sources without enrolling them on CloudAz, how to use attributes from different sources in one policy, and how to deploy them on CloudAz, also using Policy Validator to verify our results. Here are some key features of the DAP plugin. Dynamic Attribute Provider plugin allows the user to fetch attributes from any data source. PDP plugins are extensions deployed to the policy controllers to fetch data that are not enrolled through the property manager. CloudAz provides a central plugin management for all policy controllers. Let's go to our system administration. Click on Plugin. Click on Create New Plugin. Let's add our user plugin first. This plugin will be responsible for pulling attributes from a database that contains the employee information. Select our property file, our plugin jar file, our third-party jar files, and our JKS file. Click on Save and Active. Let's go back to our PDP plugin list. Click on Add Plugin again. Let's add our resource plugin now. This plugin will be responsible for pulling attributes from a CSV file that contains insurance policy details. Select our property file, our plugin jar file, our third-party jar files, our CSV file that contains the policy detail. Click on Save and Active. Go back to our plugin list. With this, we can now create policies without enrolling them to CloudAz and have policies with attributes coming from different data sources. Before we proceed, let's take a look at our database table and our CSV file. For demonstration purposes, we are using a simulated employee table that have the following columns: employee ID, first name, last name, role, and the region. For the CSV file we just uploaded, it contains policy number, policyholder first name, policyholder last name, start date, end date, coverage amount, and the region. In my Policy Studio, I have created a policy that denies the user from accessing the details of each insurance policy. Under this policy, I have made an exception sub-policy that allows division managers to access the regional insurance policy details. Here is our subject component, our resource component, and our action component. In our Policy Validator, I have created a test case for this policy. Our subject ID corresponds with the employee ID, in this case, employee ID number 5, which is Division Manager Michael Brown from West Coast. Our response name, POL005, is also an insurance policy from West Coast. Let's run our test case. Let's use another person, employee ID number 8, Jennifer Lee, who's also a division manager but is in Central America. As expected, although she is also a division manager, she can now view insurance policies from outside of her region. With this, we conclude our video on NextLabs Dynamic Attribute Provider plugin. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our NextLabs channel, and stay tuned for more CloudAz videos.